So Mistral, which is a French AI company, have released Leanstral.
Cmd+AI.
AI agents have proven to be highly capable tools at code generation. Yet, as we push these models to high-stakes domains ranging from frontier research mathematics to mission-critical software, we encounter a scaling bottleneck, the human review. The time and specialized expertise that require to manually verify become the primary impedance of engineering velocity. The first open source code agent designed for Lean 4. Lean 4 is a proof assistant capable of expressing complex mathematical objects such as perfectoid spaces and software specifications like properties of Rust fragments. Like about 5% of that sentence just went into my head just then. Unlike existing proving systems, what is this proving system thing? Or proof? Act as wrappers around large, generous models or focus on a single math problem. Leanstral is designed to be highly efficient with 6 billion active parameters and trained for operating in realistic formal repositories. See, there's a few coding references here and stuff, but also what's it being compared to? Qwen, Kimi, GLM. And this is mostly out of my wheelhouse, so interesting. I might actually have to do a little bit of research on this. So here's a case study. When breaking changes hit a new Lean release, what is this Lean thing? Migrating code can be a massive headache. We fed Leanstral a real-world question from the Proof Assistant Stack Exchange about a script that mysteriously stopped compiling in the Lean 4.290 RC6, which we did not train due to its recency. The culprit was a rewrite tactic that suddenly failed to match patterns involving simple aliases initially written as blah, 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 blah. Okay, so it's like it's good for reviewing by the looks of things. I don't know. I'm definitely keen to look into this a little bit more. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.